are my tasks 9, the write and record your practice interview. First question, tell me something about yourself. I graduated with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Physical Education at the Romblon State University, finished with distinction, where I developed strong skills in communication, leadership, and adaptability alongside organizational, critical thinking, and problem solving. Also, I possess essential qualities including patience, creativity, and strong capacity for collaboration, empathy, and emotional intelligence. During my academic years, projects and internship, I gained hands-on experience in the integration of technology using various digital tools to support instruction, creating productive and positive environment, and possessing a deep understanding of the content being taught, which give me a solid foundation for this role. I'm a quick learner, enthusiastic about traveling, helping other people in their needs and problems, and also being updated to travel trends, destination, and wonderful places in the world. And I am excited to start my career by contributing to our team's success. Overall, I would describe myself as someone who has positive experience, detail-oriented, adaptable, and driven, and I'm eager to contribute those strengths to your company or your team. What are your strengths? One of my key strengths is adaptability. I can quickly adjust to new environments and challenges, which helps me stay productive and positive even under pressure. I'm strong at analyzing situations and finding practical solutions. In my previous role, I often identified process improvements that save time and resources. I'm also a clear communicator, both verbally and written. This helps me effectively in teams and ensures projects smoothly. I always value teamwork and believe in contributing to a supportive work environment. I also enjoy sharing ideas, learning from others, and working towards common goals. Most important is that I am very detail oriented, which allows me to deliver high quality work and avoid mistakes in the important task. Lastly, I'm skilled at prioritizing tasks and managing my time efficiently, which helps me meet my deadlines consistently without compromising quality. What your weaknesses? Be honest, maybe you are impatient, etc. In the past, I tended to make on too much myself because I wanted everything to be perfect. I'm learning to delegate more effectively, which help which help build trust with teammates and improves efficiency. I can be a perfectionist, which sometimes slows me down. I've been focusing on balancing quality with deadlines by setting clearer priorities. And lastly, I used to hesitate to ask for help, thinking I should solve everything myself. I've learned that collaborating and seeking help input often leads to better results. Are you a lifelong learner? What are you studying at the moment? Yes, I am. I believe every experience, big or small, is an opportunity to learn. The mindset helps me adapt quickly, improving constantly, and stay motivated in my career. This moment, I am studying about travel arrangement and itinerary handling, which give me more understanding and knowledge as a virtual assistant, handling and planning the booking of the travels for the clients. How long have you been a freelancer? What made you decide to become one? I recently started freelancing and my training as virtual assistant where I was amazed of all the possibilities I could gain in this industry and profession. What motivated me was the opportunity to apply my skills in the flexible way and collaboratively with clients directly. Freelancing also challenges me to keep learning and improving, which I find everything rewarding. How many clients do you have so far? What work have you done for them? I'm still in the early stages of my freelancing journey, so I've worked with peers so far. Most of my work has been with teaching industry where some of my skills needed as relevant to the work as virtual assistant. While I'm building my portfolio, I focus on giving everything or every project with my full attention and ensuring client satisfaction. What is your freelancer service specialization? Why did you choose that niche? My specialization is in travel arrangement and itinerary planning and coordination as a virtual assistant. I help clients with tasks such as book flights, accommodations, creating detailed itineraries, managing travel budgets, and ensuring all logistics run smoothly. I choose the niche because I've always been highly organized and detail-oriented, and I enjoyed planning efficient schedules. I also have a genuine interest in travel, which makes the work both exciting and fulfilling. By combining my organizational skills with my passion, I'm able to provide clients with stress-free travel planning and save them valuable time. This project requires number of hours per week. Are you available? What's your schedule like? Can you work on time zone? Yes, I can dedicate 10 hours per week being based in the Philippines. I usually work during the day here, but I'm flexible and willing to adjust a portion of my schedule to match your zone time. This way, you can count on both consistent availability and smooth collaboration. Are you a team player? Can you work with team or prefer work alone? Yes, I'm definitely a team player. I enjoy collaborating with others, sharing ideas, and supporting the teams to achieve common goals because during my work experience in teaching, I've been into different people with different personalities and attitudes. At the same time, I'm also comfortable working independently and can stay focused without constant supervision. I believe both teamwork and independent work are important, and I can easily adapt depending on the project requires. What is the service fee range for this project requirement? Since I'm a new to freelancing, I'm open to discuss the fair rate that works for both of us. For this project, my service fee range would be around $5 to $10 per hour, fixed project rate, but I'm flexible depending on the scope of requirements. What is your long-term goal as a freelancer? My long-term goal as a freelancer is to establish myself as a specialized virtual assistant in travel arrangement and administrative support. Over time, I aim to grow my skills by learning more advanced tools and systems to make travel planning even more efficient. In terms of rates, my goal is to gradually increase them as I gain experience and a strong build a portfolio of satisfied clients. Most importantly, I want to build lasting relationships with reliable clients, ideally working on long-term projects where I can contribute constantly and grow alongside their business. What is your understanding of the job requirement and description? As a travel arrangement virtual assistant, my understanding about this job is that this role requires handling end-to-end travel arrangement and administrative support. That includes researching of booking flights, accommodations, transportations, creating detailed itineraries, managing schedules, and ensuring everything runs smoothly for the client. It may also involve coordinating with airlines, hotels, and other providers' service, as well as keeping track on the project and references. Do you take negative feedback? I take negative feedback as an opportunity to grow. I try not to take it personally, but instead focus on understanding the client's perspective and how can I improve. I appreciate constructive criticism because it helps me deliver better results in the future. Do you have a questions about the project or to me? My question for the company and the business is that do you offer trainings for newbie in your company?